Good morning.
Today we are going to show you what scientific bird ringing is, how it is done, and what it is for. Once we've arrived at the ringing site, the first thing we must do is to set the mist nets.
Mist nets are used in order to trap the birds that fly through the place they are set. These nets are put strategically in areas where birds frequent.
They are made up of nylon mesh suspended between two poles, resembling an oversized volleyball net. Their dimensions are 2 meters high by 12 meters long. They make no injury to the bird's trap.
We're checking the nets now, and we found a bird in it. So we're going to get it out.
To take the bird out of the net, it is very important to be careful. You must start by the legs, then the wings, and finally the head. Once we arrive at the ringing site, we get ready to ring the bird.
The first step in ringing a bird like this, which is a common chief chaff, is putting the ring on the leg.
The ring we put on the bird is very light and metallic. There's a series of numbers on it, which enables us to identify each individual.
One Z, 21, 51. The next step in the bird's ringing process is measuring the wing's length.
We take these measures for every bird so that we can compare different populations.
This electronic scale helps us to weight the bird, and so know if it is a rich area to feed themselves.
This bird species, the common chief chaff, is an insectivore winter visitor. It might come from as far as Scandinavia or from the closer Pyrenees.
According to the results we have obtained, this individual is not very well fed, so that it weighs 7 grams. It is an adult because it has a bright green color.
When we go to check the nets again, we find another species, the black cob.
In order to establish how much fat the bird has, we blow on its underparts. Taking advantage of the thin skin, we can see the fatty areas and the ones with muscle.
There's a number agreed between ornithologists to quantify it. In this case, it is 4 of fat and 3 of muscle. Now we release the bird.